Alarms Plus provides top-quality security system installations in Flanders, Northern NJ, ensuring seamless integration of surveillance cameras and access control systems for residential and commercial needs. We prioritize affordable, high-quality home alarm systems designed for maximum protection that comply with all local laws and regulations, ensuring customer peace of mind. Alarms Plus stands out with certified technicians dedicated to delivering reliable security services, exceeding customer expectations in both residential and commercial settings. Our services include comprehensive fire alarm installation, monitoring, inspection, and repair, ensuring the highest standards for fire safety in Morris and Sussex counties. Alarms Plus offers tailored solutions for commercial and residential fire and security systems across Morris and Sussex counties, serving every town within these regions.